Get ready for the dictation. On behalf of the Government of India, I extend a very cordial welcome to the Chief Ministers and other representatives from the states and union territories who made it convenient to attend this important meeting at short notice. Full stop. There has been a steep increase in the prices of certain essential commodities in the last few months. Full stop. This has affected all sections of society, but particularly the poor and middle class families. Full stop. At the outset, I would like to state that this conference expresses its empathy and concern for the people who have suffered hardships because of this problem. Full stop. The problem of price rise in India cannot be isolated from the problems in agriculture, markets, consumer markets and the administration. Full stop. It is a problem that simultaneously affects both the housewife and the farmer. Full stop. Whenever there is a steep price rise, it makes a hole in the expenditure budget of the consumer family and the income expectations of the producer family. Full stop. Rising prices is a national problem. Full stop. It needs to be tackled by both the center and the state government separately as well as jointly. Full stop. While an objective analysis of the problem is no doubt necessary for its proper comprehension and resolution, politicization of the issue should be avoided. Full stop. The spirit of cooperation and sharing of responsibility alone can help us evolve effective long-term, medium-term and immediate strategies to stabilize and reduce prices of essential commodities. Full stop. I am sure, we will conduct the proceedings of this conference in this constructive spirit. Full stop. Para. My government has accorded the highest priority to ensuring adequate supplies of essential commodities as well as keeping their prices within reasonable limits. Full stop. Towards this end, a series of meeting has been held. Full stop. Recently, the cabinet secretary had convened a meeting of the chief secretaries of states oblique union territories to review the price situation and also to evolve an action plan for curbing the rise in the prices of essential commodities as well as increasing the supplies of these commodities in different parts of the country. Full stop. The plan has already been sent to you for further action. Full stop. I am sure that the state government and union territory administrations have come prepared to discuss the implementation of the plan. Full stop. The main reason for the recent spurt in prices was the weather. Full stop. Para. On account of the low unit price of the agriculture products, even a small shortfall in supplies causes large price fluctuations. Full stop. And the market structure responds to this reality in a manner detrimental to the consumer's interest. Full stop. I would not like to substantiate this point, since the agenda papers circulated to you, do precisely that, with the help of figures about the shortfalls in demand and supply of a few selected essential commodities. Full stop. What needs to be noted, however, is that there have been large regional variations in the price rise. Full stop. The onion prices in Delhi and some other cities registered much sharper increases than cities in the south. Full stop. I must dwell here briefly on onion prices. Full stop. The unprecedented weather conditions leading to sharp supply shortages is the reason for shortage on onions. Full stop. Arrivals of fresh supplies was also greatly delayed by the continued spell of unpredictable weather. Full stop. It could have made a difference if the decision to place onion order under the open general license with zero import duty, coupled with arrangements for speedy imports, had been taken somewhat earlier. Full stop. The prices of other essential commodities like rice, wheat, sugar, tea and salt have shown a normal trend. Full stop. In view of the comfortable stock position of the commodities, their prices are expected to rule easy in the coming months. Full stop. As a precaution, however, the government has decided to release 40 lakh tons of wheat to the state government for open sale at the rates fixed separately for different zones in the country. Full stop. Several state governments have intervened in the market to ease the price situation. Full stop. Market intervention operations, however, have their limitations, with which all of us are all too familiar. Full stop. They must be resorted to, only if the need is urgent and acute. Full stop. When well managed, they do produce desired results and bring some relief to harried consumers. Full stop. However, neither the center nor the state governments can bear the financial and administrative cost to sustain them for too long and for a range of commodities. Full stop. We should therefore, shift out focus to such medium term and long term strategies as would better manage prices of essential commodities. Full stop. There are four broad areas where the center and the state should together evolve a common approach. Full stop. They are production, supply, distribution and export import management of agriculture produce. Full stop. It is obvious, but still bears emphasis, that we will not be able to gain a lasting control over the price situation unless we vastly increase production of all the essential commodities. Full stop. This point is also important from the point of view of guaranteeing food security to our growing population now. Full stop. Over.